What up, y'all? It's your homeboy Justin. We back in my bathroom one more again. I told y'all I'm gonna try to be more consistent with these videos, okay? If you have not watched last week's video, check that out. There's a cool giveaway from Jord Watches, which you still have 2 more weeks to enter. Check the description box for all the information. You can win $180 for a new watch. That's all I'm saying. It's kind of popping, or even $25 off a watch just if you want to do that too. Anyway, we're gonna get into this video, which is another link check because we have passed 4 years and 3 months of Locs. And not only that, but October is actually 5 years ago from when I started growing out my hair. So if anything, this is 5 years of hair growth right here. Hopefully I'm trying to get to like, maybe we'll see like a 15. I'm hoping we got 15 inches somewhere up in here, but anyway, we gonna see. But y'all know how this goes. 6 measurements, we're gonna average it out. We'll see how long my hair is, how much it's grown since the last check 3 months ago, and then also how long my hair has grown over the year. So let's do all that stuff. So of course, first, the front. Let's find a lock to use. Also, don't talk about my roots. I know I have not retwisted my hair. I know, don't talk to me about it. This one right here looks actually pretty long. This one, this fool right here. This one, oh, this one needs some work. This one I need to combine with this guy over here. These two are gonna combine. We'll just measure them both. I'll do this later, but I'm just letting y'all know I'm gonna combine these two locks. Is that 15 or 15 and a half? What is that? What say y'all? Let me make sure it's accurate. It's 15. I ain't gonna stretch it. I know sometimes let your ego get the best of you and you wanna inflate the numbers for your own benefit. We ain't gonna do that today. We ain't gonna do that. All right, right side. You looking kind of long. What about you though? We'll go with this guy. This guy seems nice. He seems like he would be a person that you could bring to the cookout, you know? 15. We gonna scratch into 15 and a half because he was like 15.25. So we'll just do 15 and a half. This is why we're averaging, y'all, because you know all these numbers and whatever. Left side, left hand side. 14 and a half. What about this one? This one is also 14 and a half. Okay, 14 and a half. I'm gonna just be humble. We gonna let it rock. All right, 14 and a half. But so far, our average is 15. All right, back right. Y'all don't understand how hard this is once you get to like that point where you really wanna get a really good long lock. Okay. This lock right here. 16. Booyah. 16 inches. Back left. The back and the left. Take this guy. He seemed cool. He seemed like we could also take him to the cookout. 13 and a half, but he gonna be trifling. Let me find another one real quick. He's the person who comes to the cookout but ain't cook nothing, but then will ask the people, what'd you put in a potato salad? He's that person. Y'all got that auntie that comes to the cookout but don't bring nothing? Everybody got that auntie. And she gonna tell everybody how to cook their food but ain't bring nothing. 15 and a half, thank you. See, the other ones was tripping talking about 13, Chad. All right, and then one from the middle. Ooh, they're pretty tall. These are long, y'all. These are long. Okay, this one. This is why this is so hard for me. Just tell you, it's so hard. Hold on. Okay, there we go. 15. Not mad at these numbers. Let's see what these numbers give us. We're actually not even gonna do the whole on paper thing because we got my little other iPhone, so we just gonna do technology. So we got 15 plus 15 and a half plus 14 and a half plus 16 plus 15 and a half plus 15 divided by 6, 15.25 inches. Is that correct? That correct? Wow. Okay, 15.25 inches. Last check-in was 13.75, so that's 1.5 inches of growth in 3 months. And from last year, we were at 12 inches. So this is 15. So that's 3.25 inches of growth from last year. Dang, all right. I ain't mad at that. That's a good number. What about y'all? Comment below, because I want to know how long were your locks around your 4-year, 3-month, or 4.5 year journey. Right now I'm sitting at 15 and a half on average, which is a little bit more than where I want it to be, so that's kind of nice. Yeah, comment, let me know how long your locks are right now. Just in general, how long are your locks? And are you happy with them? Or are you still waiting for them to get longer? I think I'm pretty happy with the 15.5. Although I will also say I kind of wait for them to be even longer than this. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below as always. And answer the question, how long are your locks now? And are you happy with the length of your locks, okay? What else? Hit me up on any other types of social media. I'm mostly on Snapchat throughout the week, just giving y'all little updates on my life and how things are going. Also follow me on Instagram, Locs. What else? And then subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. If you have subscribed but haven't clicked that notification button, what you doing, sir? What you doing, ma'am? Come on now. What you doing, person? What you doing? I'm waiting. Go click on that. It's right there. But yeah, anyway, you know, subscribe if you want to. I mean, came all the way. You've watched all the way to this point. Might as well. I'm just saying. And yeah, I think that's it. So we reached the end of our video. Remember, we have the Jord Watch contest still going on. Got 2 more weeks to enter into that. $180 off of a watch off of the Jord Watches website, and $25 for the next 2 months off of any purchase from their website if you use my coupon code in the description box below. All right, that's it. Last video. It's right there. A little DIY shea butter thing I did. Help you not be ashy for the winter. More information and videos right there in that playlist. Little subscribe icon right there if you have not done so already. And like always, have a good one. I will see y'all when I see y'all. I'll be back in Kansas after this next week. Oh well. And until next time, peace and keep it locked.